Welcome back to the English class. This is module number 4. So, in this module, we'll be discussing the important questions and answers from the chapter Albert Einstein at School. Look at the first question. Why did Albert see no point in learning dates and facts? So, dates and facts are parts of knowledge which are content based. Albert thought that there was no point in learning dates and facts because, firstly, these could be found from any books anytime just by looking them up. Secondly, according to him, learning facts was not education. So, education should be something that should be logical and reasonable, and it should stimulate the thinking process. So, it is somewhat related to ideas and not the by heart method where we learn a lot of things through rote memory. So, that is why Albert Einstein did not find any point in learning dates or facts. Moving on to the next question. Going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. Why? So, we already learned that Albert Einstein lived in a rented room. So, he did not find this place very comfortable. He lived in an atmosphere of slum violence. His landlady used to beat her children regularly. Every Saturday, her husband came drunk and used to beat her. The wailing and howling of kids got on his nerves, so he couldn't stand the incessant loud noise. So his place of living also made his life miserable. Moving on. Yuri calls Albert the world's worst liar. Do you think this is an insult or a compliment to Albert? Why? So, this is a conversation that happens between Yuri and Albert Einstein when Einstein was about to meet the doctor Ernst Weil. So, he says it as a compliment because Albert is honest and truthful. He can't tell a deliberate lie and he can't deceive anyone. He's so simple hearted that if he tries to tell a lie, his face betrays him at once. So, Yuri tells or asks Albert to be truthful and say what he feels to the doctor. Moving on to the next question. What opinion do you form of Dr. Ernst Weil? So, Ernst Weil is the friend of Yuri. So, he had just qualified to be a doctor and he was really intelligent. He could not be deceived easily. He was frank, honest, and sympathetic. So he wins the confidence of his patient with his warm smile. His sharp, analytical mind helps him in quick diagnosis and suggesting cure. So he was really understanding and he understood the problem of Einstein very easily and he could really help Einstein. So he is a very good person in general. So we'll move on and look at the next question. What did Mr. Koch think of Albert? So Mr. Koch is the maths teacher of Albert Einstein. He had a high opinion of Albert. He thought that he couldn't teach Albert anymore and he was sad because Einstein was leaving. And he probably thought that Einstein would be able to teach his own teacher. So Mr. Koch certified that Albert was ready to enter the college because he was brilliant in mathematics and he wished him best of luck. So moving on to the next question. How did Albert hope to get admission to an Italian college without a diploma from the German school? Answer. Albert hoped to get a testimonial from his mathematics teacher about his work. He had learned all the maths that is taught at school and a bit more. He hoped that this certificate would help him to get admission to an Italian college without a diploma from the German school. Now let us look at the last question. What reason did the headmaster give for expelling Albert from school? Answer. The head teacher charged Albert with creating problems in the class. His presence in the classroom made it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the students to listen carefully. So he said that Albert's presence disturbed everybody. So Albert refused to learn and he was always in a rebellious mood. So he was asked to leave the school immediately. So we have discussed all the important questions. we'll discuss further in the interactive sessions. Thank you.